Hi, we are Amneris
and Cynthia, and we are students of the University of La Pampa.
Today, we are going to analyze a moving story. Whole body motor training selectively improves the appraisal of action meanings in naturalistic narratives. By Adolfo Garcia.
In his text, Adolfo Garcia aims at demonstrating that whole body stimulation increases attention to visual and spatial motion patterns and enhances the evaluation of action meaning introduced by naturalistic texts.
An experiment was conducted and consisted of making children playing with, that is to say, action video games. Participants listened to actions and neutral narrations before and after bodily training based on video games and responded to questions on information realized by verbs.
Strategically, the experiment worked with dyslexic children, a population with intact motor abilities and suboptimal comprehension skills. It was found that although those kids have comprehension deficit, the using of video games could lead to a cognitive improvement after training, resulting in a boost of the understanding of action information.
A complementary experiment was made to prove that non-action video games requiring minimal bodily engagement do not enhance the appraisal of action information in dyslexic children. The movements described in the text did not coincide with those performed by participants, suggesting that the understanding of specific language may be accompanied by sensory-motor resonance.
The results obtained in this study prove that these games have a positive impact on dyslexic children. The stimulation of motion seems to selectively boost the understanding of words and sentences denoting motor abilities. For instance, professional athletes exhibit advantages in processing discipline-specific action verbs, which increases neural activity and connectivity in motor and pre-motor regions.
It is worth highlighting that this is the first study which shows that training on motor and motion perception mechanisms through whole body action video games can enhance the appraisal of actions evoked by naturalistic texts.
This analysis is of great importance at the moment of teaching dyslexic kids. Even though these may pose difficulties, there are always ways to tackle them.
Thanks to this text, we realized that dyslexic kids learn better through actions and movements experienced with their own body. One idea to put into action could be to stick pieces of colorful cardboard with different syllables written on them, and then ask the child to jump on the correct one to form a previously mentioned word.
Another suggestion would be to show the kids different words and ask them to raise their hands whenever they see letter P, or to clap their hands when they see letter Q. Activities like this one would also work with the differentiations of letters B and D and will enhance children's reading abilities.
All in all, we can say that the author presents strong evidence supporting the idea that motor movements
facilitate dyslexic children learning. Although experiments have been carried out and revealing information has been found, there is still more research to be done.
Thank
Thank you.